customer a new set of tires, you aren't just selling them new tires. You're giving them a boost in confidence that they're leaving your shop in a vehicle that will experience newfound performance and safety features they can actually feel. When those new tires happen to be Continental tires, that confidence boost goes even further, as that customer may be covered for roadside assistance and even a free tire replacement through Continental's Total Confidence Plan. But the benefits don't stop there, as last year Continental added an additional benefit to the plan: emergency trip interruption coverage. We're going to find out how Continental Tire is covering customers no matter what they run into on the road next. The Total Confidence Plan is Continental Tire's coverage plan that comes with the purchase of any Continental passenger or light truck tire, and the latest iteration includes 6 industry-leading confidence-boosting elements. The latest addition to the Total Confidence Plan is emergency trip interruption coverage. With this 3-year complimentary service, if the driver has a mechanical breakdown during a road trip, Continental will help them pay for eligible expenses. This could include anything from food to transportation to a car rental to lodging. Anything that the driver must purchase as a result of the vehicle's mechanical functions failing, unrelated to an auto accident or collision. Of course, this new protection is just the tip of the iceberg, as the original 5 pillars of the Total Confidence Plan protecting customers still remains. Road hazard protection means Continental will replace a driver's damaged tires for free within the first 12 months of purchase if the tire meets certain requirements. A limited warranty means if a driver's tires become unserviceable within the first 12 months, Continental will also replace them for free. With Continental's customer satisfaction trial, if the driver isn't happy with their tire purchase in the first 60 days, Continental will replace them with a different type of Continental tire. Flat Tire Roadside Assistance provides drivers with a tire change or a free tow up to 150 miles in the US and Canada 24/7. There's also a mileage warranty, meaning Continental will cover tire replacements on select products up to 80,000 miles. Tires must be registered online ahead of time at www.totalconfidence-plan.com to receive the benefits of the Total Confidence Plan. Drivers can view all the details about this coverage at continentaltire.com/warranty. This is the same URL where drivers must register their tires to reap all the benefits of Continental's Total Confidence Plan. Additional qualifications may apply.